In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find lost or missing files on OneDrive. If you've ever stored a file on OneDrive and then found yourself unable to locate it, you're not alone. Losing track of important documents can be frustrating, but don't worry. By the end of this guide, you'll have the knowledge and tools to easily track down those elusive files. Let's start by opening OneDrive. On your computer, you can usually find the OneDrive icon in the system tray at the bottom right of your screen. If you're on a Mac, it'll be in the menu bar at the top. If you're using a web browser, simply go to the OneDrive website and sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. Once you've accessed OneDrive, you'll be greeted with your main files area. This is where all your files and folders are stored. Now, if you've lost a file, it may simply be hiding in a folder you haven't opened yet. Navigate through your folders using the sidebars directory. Make use of the search bar at the top of the page. It's a powerful tool that can scan not only the file names but also the contents of documents. So, whether you remember the exact name of the file or just a key piece of information within it, typing it in should help you locate it more quickly. Check the recycle bin. Sometimes, files get accidentally deleted. On OneDrive, deleted files aren't immediately lost for good. They first go to the recycle bin and stay there for 30 days. On the OneDrive interface, look for the recycle bin option, which you'll find on the left-hand side menu. Click on it and sift through the files listed there. If you spot the file you need, select it and then click on Restore to bring it back to its original location. Consider version history. If you've accidentally saved over a file or made unwanted changes, OneDrive offers version history. Right-click on the missing file's name if you find it, and select version history from the drop-down menu. In this list, you can restore the file to a previous state by choosing the right one and clicking on Restore. Finally, remember some files may not have synced yet. If the file doesn't appear on the browser or another device, it might mean your computer hasn't finished syncing. Check your OneDrive status icon. A syncing symbol indicates the process is ongoing. Allow it some time, and the missing file might show up once syncing is complete. By following these steps, you'll cover all the bases to find virtually any file you think is lost within OneDrive. It's always a good idea to keep a backup of essential files, just in case, so you don't have to face the same problem again in the future. And there you have it. I hope this helps you locate your lost or missing files, and remember to always back up your important documents. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.